everyone, my name is Amanda and I'm the Customer Success Manager at BRE Networks. The aim of these videos is to provide bite-sized educational content and showcase relevant information about FOND and fiber network planning to help you understand your budgetary requirements. Additionally, we offer a diverse range of additional videos in our library, which I strongly encourage you to explore. These videos can be found on our website. Simply locate our Planning Services tab, over to FOND Planner, and then you'll see our educational resources. As a recap from our previous two videos, Cost to Serve is designed to spotlight the capex necessary for planning a network and illustrates how this cost can be allocated across the design. This approach helps generate a cost profile that could lead to more informed decisions. Today, we'll delve even deeper into the latest edition of FOND and walk through an example where we identify high-cost addresses, reprioritize those, and modify our network to maintain financial feasibility. We want you to be able to analyze your insights into the financial viability of various elements within your network, empowering you to make well-informed decisions regarding resource allocation. Let's look at this planning design as our use case. This network contains about 2,000 premises in a mostly residential area. We'll cross-reference all three costing methods: shared cost, individual cost, and accumulated cost, and identify any outliers within the plan that can be removed. This will allow us to analyze the discrepancies in costing. The first costing method I'm going to review is the accumulated cost. As you can see here in the southwest section of this area, it's mostly red and dark red, indicating the highest cost band. The accumulated cost is higher in this area because of the distance from the central office. Now, let's zoom in on this section of the design, toggle off our accumulated costing method, and toggle on the shared costing method. Next, I'm going to eliminate or turn off the addresses in the green, light blue, dark blue, and orange cost bands. The denser the homes are, the lower the shared cost will be, which highlights the more expensive addresses in less dense areas. As I'm reviewing the shared cost addresses in the red and dark red cost bands, I will cross-reference it with the individual costing methods in the red and dark red cost bands. One indicator of more expensive addresses is to find longer drop cables, as they're likely to incur higher costs, which further validates pinpointing addresses that are further apart. Now that I've identified the more expensive addresses, we're going to remove them from the plan. I'm going to create a new version and iterate to reprioritize the higher costed addresses. To create a new version, first make sure your layout has a check mark next to your versions within your view. Then locate the blue plus sign and give it a fun name. I'll import the previous version, which includes the previously used architecture, bill of materials, and addresses. Everything will remain the same in this new version, except for the addresses we're reprioritizing that exceed more than $1,500 individual cost in the southwest section. Once this process is complete, I'll generate my design. Perhaps I'll treat myself to another cup of coffee while we wait. All right, let's go. Wow, the design's already done. While the iteration process may be tedious to some, it will result in a lower network cost, maintaining financial feasibility in the end. Our total network cost will be minimized, and that is money back in your pocket. After reprioritizing addresses, I trust that you now feel more prepared to analyze your cost to serve and minimize costs through this process with the utmost confidence. If you want to learn more about cost to serve, you can access more content in FOND's knowledge base. The knowledge base features many articles that dive into topics extremely relevant to your FOND account, design generation, as well as FAQs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or are ready to see a fawn demo, submit the form below and a member of our team will contact you soon. See you next time.